What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, we are gonna be unboxing some more lost mail today. If you've been on my channel for a little while, you may already know that this has kind of become like a little series on here where I buy, you know, just all sorts of different things such as Amazon returns, lost parcels, lost suitcases, that kind of thing. And you guys always seem to enjoy these videos because there's always like an element of mystery and surprise in them. So when the website that I buy most of my things from, called Undelivered, literally just posted a new listing for parcels that had been lost, I jumped straight on it, and this is the listing right here that I purchased. I paid a total of £106 with shipping, and this includes 10 different parcels inside. I'm pretty sure this time around these may be from like mixed couriers, not just Royal Mail, not just Every or Amazon, but I guess a mixture of all of them. This is how all of my lost mail has arrived, and honestly it's not a very big box considering this cost me £100. It is kind of weighty though, so I'm hoping there's gonna be some gems inside. I guess we'll see. If you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy, welcome to my channel. If you guys want to stick around, be sure to subscribe down below. And also, if you haven't seen my series where I basically buy like lost mail, lost luggages and that kind of thing, I'll have a whole playlist right there so you guys can watch it after. In the next video to do with this subject, I will also be unboxing a whole pallet of furniture, which I have ordered already. It's on its way and I can't wait. But for now, let's dive into this parcel right here and see what is inside. Okay, so first things first, this is what I'm seeing as I'm unboxing this parcel. Okay, there's a lot of different individually packaged things in here. And just to clarify, everything that I purchased is supposedly items that were purchased by customers, but for some reason the parcels didn't make it to their house. Whether they never collected it from the post office, whether the address was wrong, I have no idea. There's various different reasons as to how they would have ended up in my possession, but that's why I find these videos really interesting. So let's open up this first parcel here. It does have an address on here, but it looks like it's some kind of warehouse address and it doesn't say anybody's name on it, so I guess that's fine. Let's open this up. What could this possibly be? Ooh, it's some kind of jacket. Interesting. It doesn't really look like the kind of thing that would be my style. Oh wow, okay, it's like a men's vest. I swear I get so unlucky with these types of videos. There's always either men clothes or just things that are really not to my taste, such as this. I mean, yeah, it might be for somebody, but not for me. This is in an extra large. I mean, I can always donate all of the items that I'm not gonna use to charity. So that's the first item, a vest. It smells new. It smells like it's brand new, so that's good. That was the first item. Let's see what we have next. We have this tiny little parcel. Whenever I do these videos, it honestly feels like Christmas. Oh, what is this? It looks like some kind of hose pipe connection. I'm sure if I show this to my husband, Matt, he'll probably know exactly what this is. But to me, it just looks like a hose pipe connection. I don't know what for, but there you go. I mean, so far, we're off to a pretty bad start. I spent £100 on this, and this is what I get. This better not be classed as one of the 10 items, because this is literally like 99p worth of plastic. Okay, moving on. What is in here? This is a parcel again to a warehouse. Oh, I've just realized it does actually have people's names underneath it and their address, which is quite bad. This person bought this and it was going to Luton. Okay, I mean, I know they tried to like stick a label over it, but I can still read it, so that's pretty bad. Let's see what Simone has ordered. I'm sorry, Simone, if you're watching this. Simone from Luton. Seriously though, if anybody is watching this and you see an item that you ordered and it didn't make it to your house, let me know in the comments and I will gladly send it back to you. Okay, so it even came with like the online order. It doesn't say how much these things were, but it says Amazon on it. So I'm pretty sure both of these items were from Amazon. Let's see this first one. I mean, it's looking pretty promising based off the fact that I love beige. Okay, this is it. I just feel like a lot of the time when I do these videos, I'm always getting things that are super low quality in these bags. This is like, I guess, a dress. It's in an extra large. nothing wrong with it to be honest, but it just looks really, really bad quality. Like the fabric is so thin, but I mean, I can always donate it to charity. Somebody might make some use of it. So that's the first item. And then the second item, will it literally be the same thing? I've had that before. One time I did a Royal Mail specific like lost parcels video, and there was literally an instance just like this where somebody bought the same thing twice in different colors. Is that something people do? I have no idea. Or is this maybe like some excess stock that Amazon was trying to get rid of and they just sell it off to like websites like Undelivered? I really have no idea. But again, it's exactly the same dress, but just in like a maroony red sort of color. So far, I would say this is kind of a flop, but we still have a few more items to go through, so not all is lost. Okay, the next parcel we're gonna go through is this one here. This one is titled To Michelle, and this is Michelle from Leicester. Shout out Michelle, if you ordered this, let me know. Okay, what is in here? Ooh, okay. Ooh, a little like shirt dress situation. Maybe this could actually be kind of cute. Okay, it's giving like tropical holiday vibes. I'm actually kind of here for it. It's not the worst. I mean, it's definitely way too big for me, but it's giving like kimono vibes. Are you seeing it? It actually looks kind of cute. So yeah, I feel like this is the first item that's kind of potentially a win. You go, Michelle, you have good taste. Okay, the next item we have is this. It has a lot of first class stamps on it, that's for sure. Everything is weirdly like addressed to the same industrial estate, like Leicester warehouse. I mean, is that where these items are just like shipped to straight and then they just literally put everything together? I have no idea. Ooh, we've got a pair of shoes. Okay, these are definitely not my style whatsoever, but here they are. Okay, they're kind of like a brown looking sandal. They weigh very little, but this is what they're looking like. They're not really my style, but again, they are brand new, so I will definitely donate these to charity. I mean, again, it's not exactly a valuable piece of clothing. Like these shoes at tops would have cost maybe £20, if even that. So again, I feel like so far we really haven't made our money back for this box. The next item we're going to be opening is this. Now, this I have a little faith in. It was titled To Miss Laura from Essex. Let's see what Laura from Essex has ordered. I hope it's gonna be something cute and maybe in my taste. Ooh, I see some purple. Okay, let's see here. Okay, this feels quite soft actually. What is it? Oh, it's a very, very oversized t-shirt. It's literally got no labels whatsoever. It's not branded. It's literally probably like an Amazon t-shirt. It's got a slight ruching on the side, as you can see, but yeah, it's a pretty simple t-shirt. Not exactly my style again, but definitely much better than some of the other pieces so far. Okay, next up we have this item here, which is very oddly shaped, and it's also very hard. I have no idea what this could possibly be, so let's open it up. Okay, what is this? It's squashed. That's all I can say. It's a plant pot, but it's completely squashed. What am I supposed to do with this? Oh no. Oh, it's from Amazon. It's a generic round plant bowl. This is the item code for anybody wondering, but yeah, this plant pot is definitely not exactly usable now. Can I try and like pull it out and bend it into shape? Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, I've kind of managed to like bend it out a little bit, but it's still very, very misshapen. Okay, this is a complete waste again. It would have been a good item had it been, you know, not completely squished. But yeah, sadly, there is nothing that I can do to fix this. Moving right along, we now are going to be trying to open this item here. This is, again, titled to the same Leicester warehouse. I have no idea, like, what is going on here. Here we go. This is it. It's a pair of joggers. They are, again, definitely not my size, but they're not that bad actually. Like, in terms of quality, they feel okay. They actually have pockets, and I feel like somebody can definitely make use of these when I donate them to the charity shop. So yeah, all is not lost. These are actually kind of decent. Okay, the next item is this one here. Again, quite a small item. This is again titled to the same industrial warehouse. Let's open it up. I still have some hope that we're gonna find something decent. 3, 2, 1. Here it is. What is this? Okay, it's extra large, so I don't have any hope for myself. I have no idea how I'm so unlucky to always get every item in literally not my size. Okay, what is this though? This is a swimsuit. Okay. I mean, yeah, it's kind of cool. This is like a proper swimsuit for when you're going like sea swimming, which I definitely do not do. But yeah, it looks decent quality. What brand is this? It doesn't have a brand, so I'm guessing it's probably just from Amazon again. I feel like, again, I will donate this to charity and somebody will make good use, but personally, I cannot. Right, and the very last item we've got in this box is probably the largest item of all, so let's see what we've got going on here. I really just don't understand why every single parcel is literally directed to this place. Is this the place where Undelivered packages all their items? Like, how are they obtaining these items? That's what I want to know. Anyways, let's open this last item. Fingers crossed. Hold your fingers crossed for me. Okay, we have a couple of different things in here. Are they all the same item though? That is what I want to know. Oh no! There is a, like a handwritten note in here. This feels really wrong. It says, please accept the following items for return and full refund due to incorrect sizing. And then they've literally handwritten every single item and how much it cost. Everything costs £8.66 per item. They wanted a total refund of £43, which I'm guessing they didn't get due to the fact that this parcel got lost. It's got their name and everything on it. That is kind of bad because that is literally like sharing personal information, and thank God that I'm not going to do anything with it. However, on this piece of paper, there's a full name written on it, as well as their like eBay username, which I think is kind of dodgy. Anyways, let's see what is in here. The first item, ooh, is it a two-piece? It looks like a two-piece. Okay, so we've got some pants. They're very like loose, if that makes sense. So that's that. And then we also have this. Here we go. A top, again, in extra large. I swear, like Undelivered is just packing all the sizing like accordingly to one box, because that is just too random to have everything in the same size. We then have the red one. Let's see what this is like. This is again in the extra large. It's exactly the same item, but in red. This is why I'm a little bit like sus about this website, because it's done that twice. Like, who actually does that where they buy the same item in different colors? Like, that's the second person that has done that. Let me know in the comments, do you guys do that? Do you buy the same piece of clothing in like lots of different colors just to see which one you prefer the most? I mean, yeah, this is exactly the same item, but this time in the blue. And then I'm guessing the last item is also the same one, but in the navy. Wait, there is one more. The same item, but in the gray. So literally the same card in 5 different colors. I don't know about you guys, but there's something a bit fishy about that. The only thing that makes me believe that it's real is the handwritten note with like the person's name on it and everything. I just feel like they wouldn't have done that. So there we are. That is the full box of Undelivered parcels, completely emptied. I have no words for this one. Seriously, every single item was kind of bad. I mean, it's not really tailored to my size for one. It's not tailored to my taste, and I kind of was expecting that in a way, but equally I was just hoping for at least like one decent item that would just make the whole box worth it, because other than that, like, yeah, there is quite a lot of items here, but all of them are very, very cheaply made, very cheap quality, so it definitely doesn't reflect the price of this box and what I paid for it. We paid £106 for this entire box of 10 parcels, and I feel like I have been shunted by it. I have been dealt the wrong end of the stick, and I mean, I'm a little bit disappointed. Let me know what your thoughts are about this box. Do you think I should get another one in the future or not? I just feel like it could have been a little bit better. That's all I'm gonna say. Regardless though, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Every single thing that you've seen in this video will get donated. Apart from the plum pot, of course, this is the only item that had a little bit of potential, but because it's so ruined, I just cannot use it for anything. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely smash that huge thumbs up down below and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you here. Definitely check out my full playlist of all the other videos that I've done in this kind of style. I'll have them all linked in the eye right there. As always, thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.